If you're wondering the fuse box location and the diagram for 2023 Kia Sorento, the hybrid version, worry no more. I'm going to show you the location for the battery as well for this vehicle. Let's start with the battery location. Normally you'd find the battery under the hood, but instead on a Kia Sorento 2023, the battery is located on the back on the trunk and is hidden right here on the left by this black cover. All you need is a flat tip screwdriver, pop up the black cover, and there is the battery. It's located in the trunk. Now to put the cover back together, you just line up the tab, push it down, and it's going to click in place. And that's the battery location. Now let me show you the fuse box location. There are two fuse box locations on a 2023 Kia Sorento. The first fuse box is going to be underneath here, beside the power steering. You pop up this cover. On top of it is also say fuse box, and there you go. These are the fuse set inside the cab. And then the diagram for the fuses is on the back of the cover. You find this yellow nameplate that has all the data, the fuse amperage, and what it does. If you're finding this video useful, kindly hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Now to put the cover back together, make sure you line up the tab in a way that you can read that word fuse. If the word fuse is upside down, then you're lining the long tabs. Push it in and it click in place. Now the second fuse box location is under the hood, inside the engine compartment. All you need is lift up the hood, and on the driver's side, right above the wheel, you find this black cover with a huge symbol of a positive sign. It shows that inside this fuse box location there is a positive terminal, and this silver thing you see here, this look like a mirror here, that is the positive terminal. And here you find the next fuse set and the relays. Again, on the back of the cover you find the diagram with all the fuse information, the amperage, and on the back of the cover you also find 6 different fuse spares. To put the cover back together, you line up the tab, push it, and it's going to click in place. Now those are the two fuse box locations, including the location for the battery. If this video was helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. That is 2023 Kia Sorento, the hybrid version. Very nice family SUV. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.